You're watching Las Vegas One. News and information 24/7.
This week on In Business Las Vegas, investors return to the local real estate market, grabbing up multiple properties at a time. Plus, it's the bright spot in Nevada's economy, but is the mining industry paying its fair share? And a lawsuit against the son of former Governor Kenny Gwin alleges Jeff Gwin pocketed money that should have gone to investors. In Business Las Vegas is next.
Now from Las Vegas One, this is In Business Las Vegas.
Welcome to this edition of In Business Las Vegas, your source for the top business news of the week. From the resources of the Las Vegas Sun, Channel 8 Eyewitness News, and In Business Las Vegas, let's take a look at our top stories. Nevada's jobless rate reached its highest level in 26 years last month. Unemployment was up slightly from February to 10.4% for the state and Las Vegas. Both topped the national rate of 8.5%. The State Department of Employment reports the number of unemployed workers in Nevada increased by nearly 14,000 from February. And Nevada led the nation in foreclosures in March. Realty Track reports 19,849 foreclosure filings. That's up 26% from February and an increase of 159% from last year. For the entire first quarter, Nevada recorded 41,296 foreclosure filings, or one for every 27 households. Foreclosures were up 19% from the previous quarter and up 111% from the first quarter of 2008. And a recent survey shows first-time home buyers are warming up to the market. More than 3/4 of potential first-time buyers told Century 21 in a recent poll that now is a good time to buy a home, and 68% say now is a better time than 6 months ago. Most of those polled credit dropping prices for their interest, but some local buyers say they're taking advantage of the federal government's $8,000 tax credit.
It's not a loan, you don't have to pay it back, they're just going to give it to you. And I got really excited when I heard that.
It is really part of the stimulus package to get these homes and this inventory cleared out right now. And you combine that with the low prices and the low interest rates, it's just, like you said, a perfect storm.
And more than 3/4 of potential first-time home buyers tell Century 21 they are more likely to buy a home this year because of that tax credit. Foreign investors are also taking a keen interest in the Valley's housing market. They're taking advantage of the Valley's low prices, buying 2 or 3 properties at a time. One investor says the long-term outlook sets Las Vegas apart.
You could buy in other areas of the country, but we don't see the economic potential rebounding the same way we see in Las Vegas. The prices that we've seen have dropped off. For instance, in this complex, we're looking at about 70-75%. We look at these as a long-term investment, so we're not looking to be slumlords, for lack of a better description. We want to make sure that these investments hold their value and grow over the long term.
A representative from the Greater Las Vegas Association of Realtors says foreign investments are good for the market because they are absorbing inventory, which will bring prices back up. And when In Business Las Vegas comes back, TI owner Phil Ruffin says spending cuts, not tax increases, are the answer to balancing the state's budget. Plus, I-Team Chief Investigative Reporter George Knapp says the hills are alive with potential tax revenue. Stick around.